Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to solve the complete solution of chapter 17 of Trigonometrical Ratios of class 9 Understanding Mathematics. So there will be the complete solution of this chapter. So our first question for the chapter is 1a. From the figure given below, find value of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. So this is our diagram given triangle OMP. So we need to solve this question. So first we need to find out the three sides of the triangle. 15 is given, 12 is given, but this side is not given. So this is a right angle triangle, this is a right angle. So easily we can find out PM by the Pythagoras theorem. So therefore we know that hypotenuse square, that is OP, is the hypotenuse. So OP square will be is equals to OM square plus MP square. So we need to find a value of MP. So we rearrange the equation like this. MP square will be equals to OP square minus OM square. So MP square is equals to OP square is 15. So 15 square minus OM square, that is 12. So 12 square. So MP is equals to 225 minus 144. So removing this square, so we are giving the root over here. So is equal to 81. So root over 81 value is 9. So from this we can say that the value of MP is 9. So now we have to find out this trigonometrical ratios. So first we need to find out sin theta. So here theta is a triangle POM. This is denoted by theta here. So now the side which is opposite to the angle of theta. So opposite to the angle of theta is PM. So this will be considered as the height. And the other side it will be considered as the base. And hypotenuse will be as usual. So if we consider the theta here, the height will be this one and the base will be this. So in this case our height is PM and our base is OM. Hypotenuse is OP. So sin theta means height by hypotenuse. So here our height is MP by hypotenuse. So our hypotenuse is OP. So MP value is 9 and OP value is 15. So if we cut by 3, it will become 3 by 5. So our first ratio, that is sin theta, that is equals to 3 by 5. Now second is the cos theta. So cos theta means base by hypotenuse. So in this case our base is OM and our hypotenuse is OP. So OM by OP, OM is 12 and OP is 15. Now again if we cut by 3, it will become 4 by 5. Now question number 3. That is given tan theta. So tan theta means height by base. So here height is MP and base is OM. So MP by OM is equals to MP is 9 and OM is 12. Again we cut by 3, it will become 3 by 4. Number 4 is given cot theta. So cot is the reciprocal of tan, which means base by height. So OM by MP. So OM value is 12 and MP value is 9. So 12 by 9, that will be equal to 4 by 3. Number 5 is given sec theta. So sec theta is a reciprocal of sin theta. Sin theta is height by hypotenuse. So sec theta will be, Sec theta is a reciprocal of cos theta, not sec theta, sin theta. So cos theta is base by hypotenuse, so sec theta will be hypotenuse by base. So your hypotenuse is our OP and our base is OM. So OP value is 15 and OM value is 12. Cut by 3, it will become 5 by 4. Now last is a cosec theta. And this is a reciprocal of sin theta. So sin theta is height by hypotenuse. So this will be hypotenuse by height. Hypotenuse is our OP and our height is MP. So therefore OP value is our 15 and MP value is 9. Cut by 3, it will become 5 by 3. So therefore for this question, sin theta will be 3 by 5, cos theta will be 4 by 5, tan theta will be 3 by 4, cot theta will be 4 by 3, sec theta will be 5 by 4 and cosec theta will be 5 by 3. So these are the final answer for this question. So let's move on to our next question. Number 1b. From the figure given below, find the value of sin A, cos A, sin squared A plus cos squared A, sec squared A minus tan squared A. So this is our figure. So AC and BC are given, that is 5 and 12. We need to find out the value of AB first. So this is our right angle. So the side opposite to right angle is the hypotenuse. That means AB will be the hypotenuse. We applied a Pythagoras theorem, that is the hypotenuse square, that is AB square will be equals to AC square plus BC square. So we applied the Pythagoras theorem here. So AB square will be equals to AC value is 12, 12 square plus 5 square. BC is 5. So AB is equals to root over 144 plus 25. So which becomes 169 by is equals to, so root over 169 value will be 13. So therefore AB is our 13. So therefore this side is 13. So now you can easily find out the trigonometrical ratios. So number 1, sin A. So sin A means we have to find out the angle ratio of this angle. This is A and we have to find out this angle. Similarly to the theta that is in the previous question. So this question sin A. So this angle opposite side is BC. Opposite side. So sin theta is height by hypotenuse. So height will be opposite to the angle. So BC is the height. And by default our hypotenuse is AB. BC is 5 and our hypotenuse is 13. So sin A will be 5 by 13. Second question, given cos A. Cos A means base by height. So base will be AC. AC by the hypotenuse, that is the AB. So AC is 12 and AB is 13. So the value of cos A will be 12 by 13. Now the third question. Third question says that sin squared A plus cos squared A. So sin squared A plus cos squared A. So you have already taken out the values, sin 5 by 13 and cos 12 by 13. So I put down the value here. Sin square. So that means 5 by 13, that is the value of sin to the power 2 plus cos square. The value of cos is 12 by 13 to the power 2. So we open the bracket. So 5 to the power 25 by 169 plus 12 to the power 2 144 by 169. 13 to the power 2 169 and here also the same. So 144 plus 25, that will be equals to 169. So 169 by 169. So the values are cut. So the value of sine squared a plus cos squared a will be 1. Now the fourth question. So before doing the fourth question, we need to find out the two values. That is sec a and tan a. Then only we can apply the sec squared a minus tan squared a. So first we find out sec a. So sec a means hypotenuse by base. So in this question, our base is AC and our hypotenuse is AB. So the formula will be AB by AC. That is equal to 13 by 12. And next we have to find out the tan A. So tan means height by base. Our height is BC and our base is AC. So BC value is 5 and AC value is 12. So now I got the value of sec A and tan A. Now I can easily solve the question, which says sec squared A minus tan squared A. So sec value is 13 by 12 to the power 2 minus tan, that is 5 by 12 to the power 2. So 13 to the power 2 169, 12 to the power 2 144, minus 5 to the power 2 25, 12 to the power 2 144. So 169 minus 25, that will is also 144. So 144 by 144, which again will be cut. So the value of sec squared a minus tan squared a will be equal to 1. So for these questions our answers will be sec a 5 by 13, cos a 12 by 13, sin squared a plus cos squared a 1, and sec squared a minus tan squared a is equal to 1. So let's move on to our next question now. Question number 2a. From the figure given below, find the values of sin b cos c, sin b plus sin c, sin b cos c plus sin c cos b. So this is a figure, triangle ABC. AB is 6, BC is 10. I have to find the value of AC first. So in this right angle triangle, our hypotenuse is BC. So therefore BC square is equal to AC square plus AB square. You put down the values. No, first we arrange this equations like this. AC square will be equal to BC square minus AB square. Now I have to find the value of AC. So AC square is equal to BC is our 10 minus AB. AB is our 6. So AC is equal to root over 10 to the power 200 minus 6 to the power 36. That will be equal to root over 64. That will be equal to 8. So therefore AC will be equal to 8. Now first you have to find out the value of sin B. So in this question our B angle is this one. So sin means height by hypotenuse. So as I said, the side opposite to the side of the angle will be equal to the height. So in this question, opposite to angle B is AC. So AC will be the height. So AC by BC. BC is the hypotenuse. So put down the values 8 by 10. That is equal to 4 by 5. We cut by 2. Second question says that cos C. So we find out cos C. So this is our angle. So cos means base by hypotenuse. So opposite to this angle, that means AB. So AB will be the height in this case. So definitely this AC will be the base. So in this case also AC by BC is equal to 8 by 10. That will be equal to 4 by 5. So now our third question says that sin B plus sin C. So for doing this question, first I have to find out the value of sine C. So sine C will be equal to height by hypotenuse. So opposite to this angle is AB. So AB by BC. So the value of AB is 6 and the value of BC is 10. So cut by 2, that will become 3 by 5. So now easily you can find out the value of question number 3, which says that sine B plus sine C. So sine B value is here, sine B 4 by 5 plus sine C, that is says 3 by 5. So 4 plus 3, that will be equal to 7. So 7 by 5. So the value of sine B plus sine C will be 7 by 5. So now for doing the last part, that is sine B cos C plus sine C cos B, we need to find the value of this cos B first. So right, cos B will be equals to, see here is B, so opposite side is AC, that is the height, so therefore AB will be the base. So base by hypotenuse, that means AB by BC. So AB value is 6 and BC value is 10. So that is equal to 3 by 5. So now I can easily find out the last part. Sine B cos C plus sine C cos B. So sine B value is here 4 by 5. So in between there is no sign, so therefore multiplication. So cos B 3 by 5 plus sine C 3 by 5 multiplied by cos B. So cos B is 3 by 5. And guys, here it will be 4 by 5 as I made a mistake. So cos C, it is value is 4 by 5. Instead I write 3 by 5, it will be 4 by 5. So now 4 multiplied by 4 16, 5 multiplied by 5 25, plus 3 multiplied by 3 9, 5 multiplied by 5 25. So 16 plus 9, that will give 25 by 25. We cut the values, it gives 1. So this is the answer for the last part. So for this question, our answer is sine B 4 by 5, cos C 4 by 5, sine B plus sine C 7 by 5, and sine B cos C plus sine C cos B 1. So let's move on to our next question. Question number 2b. From the figure given below, find the values of tan x cos y, cos x squared y minus cot squared y, 5 by sin x plus 3 by sin y minus 3 cot y. So our figure is given here. So first we will find all the sides of this triangle. So first in this triangle ADC, we can easily find this AD side. So we are directly applying the formula, that is AD square is equal to AC square minus DC square. AD, that is the height, AC, that is the hypotenuse, and DC, that is the base. So AD square will be equal to AC, that is 13, 13 square minus DC square, that is equal to 5 square. So AD will be equal to root over 13 square 169 minus 5 square 25. That is equal to root over 144. That is equal to 12. So therefore this AD will be 12. Now in this BC, total is given 21 and DC is given 5. So therefore BD will be 21 minus 5. So 21 minus 5, that is equal to 16. So now 12 is we can have 12 we have, 16 we have, so we have to find out AB from triangle ADB. And this formula that we just applied, this is in the case of triangle ADC. Now I are going to apply the Pythagoras theorem on the triangle ABD. So triangle ABD. So you have to find the hypotenuse only. So we can write AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square. AB square is equals to AD, that is 12 square plus 16 square. So AB is equals to root over 12 to the power 2 144 plus 16 to the power 2 256. That is equals to root over 400. So root over 400 value will be 20. So now I've got all the sides of the triangle. So now I can easily apply this ratios of the Pythagoras theorem. Sorry, ratios of the trigonometrical ratios. Number 1, tan x. So here is our x. So tan means height by hypotenuse. So opposite to the angle, side is the height, that means DC is the height, and the base is AD. So DC by AD. So DC is 5 and AD is 12. So 5 by 12. Number 2, cos y. So cos means base by hypotenuse. So here y. So opposite side AD is the height. So therefore BD is the base. So BD by AB. So BD is 16 and AB is 20. We cut by 4. It will become 4 by 5. Now we need to find out the value of cosec y and cot y first, so that we can evaluate this portion. So first we are finding cosec y. Cosec y means hypotenuse by height. So y hypotenuse is AB and AB is the opposite side AD. AB is 20 and AD is 12. So I cut by 4, it will become 5 by 3. Now I find cot y. So cot means base by height. So here base is BD and our height is AD. That is equal to 16 by 12. We cut by 4, that will be equal to 4 by 3. Now I can apply this formula so that we can evaluate this portion. So our third part says that cosec square y minus cot square y. So cosec value we have got, that is 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 to the power 2 minus cot, that is 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 to the power 2. So 5 to the power 2 25 by 3 to the power 2 9 minus 4 to the power 2 14 by 3 to the power 2 9. Sorry, 4 to the power 2 16. So 16 minus 25, that will be equal to 9. So 9 by 9 is coming. So easily cut it is equal to 1. So the value of cosec square y minus cot square y will be equal to 1. Now for doing the last part, we need to find the value of sin x and sin y. So sin x we are finding out. So in this diagram our x is here. So sin means height by hypotenuse. So this is the height and s is the hypotenuse. So it will be 5 by 13. We are directly putting the value, that is 5 by 13. And sin y here, height by hypotenuse. Height is AD and hypotenuse is AB. So 12 by 20. Which we cut by 4, it will become 3 by 5. And the cot value here, cot y, you already knew, that is 4 by 3. So you can easily solve number 4th question. Question is 5 by sin x plus 3 by sin y minus 3 cot y. So 5 by sin x. So 5 divided by sin x we can write. So sin x value is 5 by 13. So 5 divided by 5 by 13 plus 3 by sin y. So that means 3 divided by sin y, that is 3 by 5, minus 3 cot y, that means 3 multiplied by cot y. So cot y is here 4 by 3. So reciprocal will occur here. 5 into 13 by 5 plus 3 into 5 by 3 minus. So here you already cut this number. So remains minus 4. So here 5 5 cut, 5 3 3 cut. So remains 13 plus 5 minus 4. 13 5 minus 4 1 is equal to 13 plus 1 14. So 14 is the final answer for this question. So the answers for this question are tan x 5 by 12, cos y 4 by 5, cosec square y minus cot square y 1, 5 by sin x plus 3 by sin y minus 3 cot y is equal to 14. So let's move on to our next question. Question number 3a. From the figure given below, find the value of sec theta. So this is our diagram. So first we need to find out the sides of this triangle so that you can apply this formula of sec theta. So first in triangle ADC, AD square you have to find out. Sorry, AD you have to find out with the applied direct formula. AD square is equals to AC square minus DC square. So AD square is equals to AC square, that is 13 square minus 5 square. AD will be equals to root over 169 minus 25 is equals to root over 144, that is equals to 12. So therefore AD will be equals to 12. So now BC is given 21 and DC is given 5. So therefore BD will be 21 minus 5, that is will be is equal to 16. So now we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem in triangle ADB. Triangle ADB. So I have to find out the hypotenuse only. AB is the hypotenuse. So AB square will be equal to AD square plus AB square. Sorry, DB square. So AB square is equal to AD square. So AD square will be equal to 12 square plus DB square, that is equal to 16 square. AB will be equal to root over 12 square 144 plus 16 square 256 is equal to root over 400. That will be equal to 20. So this side is our 20. So now you can easily find out sec theta. Sec theta. So sec means hypotenuse by base. So here is theta. So hypotenuse is AB and opposite side is AD. So AD is the height and so therefore BD will be the base. So therefore sec theta will be equal to AB by BD. So AB value is 20 and BD value is 16. So now I cut by 4, that will be equal to 5 by 4. So sec theta will be 5 by 4. So this is the final answer for this question. So let's move on to our next question. Question number 3b. From the figure given below, find the value of sin x, cot squared x minus cosec squared x, sec y, tan squared y minus 1 by cos squared y. So this is a diagram. So in this diagram, leveling is not given. So you name this triangle A, B, C and here D. So now it will be easier for the identification of the sides. So now first we will find all the sides. So first in triangle ADC, we are applying the direct formula. AC is the hypotenuse. I have to find a DC. So therefore DC square will be equal to AC square minus AD square. So DC square is equal to AC square. AC is 12 square minus 4 square. DC will be equal to root over 12 to the power 4 144 minus 4 to the power 16. is equals to root over 128. So this will not give a pure number. Its value will be 8 root 2. So now we apply the Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABD. So in triangle ABD you have to find the side AB. And in triangle ADC this is 8 root 2. So in triangle ABD you have to find AB only. So AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square. So AB square is equals to AD. AD is 4 square plus BD, that is 3 square. AB is equals to root over 4 to the power to 16 plus 3 to the power to 9, 25, that is equals to 5. So this side is our 5. Now our first question, sin x. Number 1, sin x. So x is here, sin means height by hypotenuse. So height is AD, opposite to this angle, and hypotenuse is AB. AD by AB, that is equals to 4 by 5. Now cot x. So cot means base by height. So base is BD, height is AD. So BD by AD is equals to 3 by 4. Now for doing the third part, we need to find out the value of cosec x first. So cosec x. So as I earlier said that cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So sine is 4 by 5. So therefore cosec will be 5 by 4. I am doing this directly. So cosec value will be 5 by 4. So now question number 3 we do. So question number 3 says cot square x minus cosec square x. So cot value here 3 by 4 whole square minus cosec square y. So cosec value is 5 by 4. So 5 by 4 to the power 2. Because 3 to the power to 9 by 4 to the power to 16 minus 5 to the power to 25 by 16 to the power 14 to the 4 to the power to 16. This is equals to, so 9 minus 25, that is equal to 16 only. So minus 16 is coming here. So cut it. So it will give minus 1. So now question number 4. It says sec y. Number 4. Sec y. So here is our y. So sec y means hypotenuse by base. So y opposite side is AD. So AD is the height. So therefore DC will be the base. So hypotenuse by base means AC by DC. That is equal to 12 by 8 root 2. So 12 and 8 we cut by 4. So 3 by 2 root 2. So this is the value of sec y. Now for the last question you have to find out the value of tan y and cos y. So first we are finding a value of tan y. So tan means height by base. So height is AD and base is DC. So that means 4 by 8 root 2 will come. So we write it 4 by 8 root 2. We are doing this directly. So 4 and 8 will cut. That will be 1 by 2 root 2. And cos y will be equals to here base by hypotenuse. So base is DC and hypotenuse is AC. So 8 root 2 by 12 and doing this directly. So we cut by 4, 8 and 12. So 2 root 2 by 3. So now I do the question number 5, which says tan square y minus 1 by cos square y. So tan square y, so tan value is 1 by root 2. 1 by 2 root 2 to the power 2 minus 1 by, so therefore you write 1 divided by cos y. So cos y value is 2 root 2 by 3. So here also cube squared. So is equals to here 1 to the power 2 1. So here 2 to the power 2 will be 4 and root 2 to the power 2 will be 2. So 2 to the power 4 into 2, that will be equals to 8 here. So once more I am explaining, 2 to the power 2, that will be equal to 4 multiplied by root 2 is given. So root 2 to the power 2 is equals to, the 4 into 2 8 minus 1. So we remove this division sign by doing reciprocal. So 3 to the power 2 9 by 2 root 2 to the power 2. So here also it will become 8. So it becomes 1 minus 9. So 8 by 8 is equals to 1 minus 9 will minus 8 by 8. So cut it, it will give minus 1. So this is our final answer for this question. So the answers for this question are sin y 4 by 5, cot x 3 by 4, cot squared y x minus cosec squared x minus 1, sec y 3 by 2 root 2, tan squared y minus 1 by cos squared y minus 1. So let's move on to our next question. Question number 4a. From the figure given below, find the value of 2 sin y minus cos y, 2 sin x minus cos x, 1 minus sin x plus cos y, 2 cos x minus 3 sin y plus 4 tan x. So this is our diagram. In this first, in triangle BDC, we will find out this BC. So the right angle is at D, hypotenuse is BC. So therefore in triangle BDC, we have to find out BC only. So BC is equals to BD square plus DC square. So BC is equals to BD, that is 9 square, plus DC, that is 12 square. So BC is equals to root over 9 to the power 2 81 plus 12 to the power 2 144 is equals to root over 225, that will be equals to 15. So therefore BC will be equals to 15. So now we take this full triangle ABC. So here AC is 25 and BC is 15. So you can easily find out this AB. So we apply the direct formula, that is AB squared is equals to AC squared minus BC squared. So in this triangle, AC is the hypotenuse and BC is the base, B is the height. So it is right angled at B. AB square is equals to AC square, that is 25 square, minus BC 15 square. So AB is equals to root over 25 square is equals to 625 minus 15 square, that is 225, is equals to root over 400, that will become 20. So therefore AB is our 20. So you got all the sides of triangle, and I can easily find out its values. So number 1 question. 2 sin y minus cos y. So 2 multiplied by sin y. So I am directly applying the numbers here, but it is recommended to find out the values first, like we did in the previous questions. So sin y. So here is our y. Sin y means height by hypotenuse. Height is BD and hypotenuse is BC. So 9 by 15 minus cos y. Cos y means base by hypotenuse, so 12 by 15. DC is the base and BC is the hypotenuse, so 12 by 15. So I cut these numbers first. By 3, it will become 4, it will become 5. It will become 3, it will become 5. So 2 into 3 will be 6, 6 by 5 minus 4 by 5 is equal to 4, 6 minus 4, 2, 2 by 5. Question number 2. Question is given 2 sin x minus cos y. So 2 into sine x. Here is our x. So therefore sine x means height by hypotenuse. BC is our height, opposite side of x. So 15 by hypotenuse, that is 25. So 15 by 25 minus cos x. Sorry, cos y. Sorry, it will be cos x only. The question is 2 sin x minus cos x. So cos x value will be, here is x. So base by hypotenuse. So base is our 20 and hypotenuse is 25. So 20 by 25. Here also cut the numbers by 5 only first. 4 by 5. Here 3 by 5. So 2 into 3 is 6. 6 by 5 minus 4 by 5. So here also 6 minus 4 will be equals to 2. 2 by 5. Now our third question. It says 1 minus sin x plus cos y. So 1 minus sin x, that is sin x is 15 by 25, we have already find it out, plus cos y. So cos y is 12 by 15. So first we cut the numbers. This we cut by 3. So 4 by 5. And here we cut by 5. That will be 3 by 5. So here 1 minus 3. So 1 minus 5 by 5 plus 4 by 5. So here we do that 5 into 1, that is 5. So 5 minus 3 by 5. So it will become 3, 4, 5, that is 2 by 5 plus 4 by 5. So 4 plus 2, 6. So 6 by 5. So here the answer will be 6 by 5. Now the last part, it states 2 cos x minus 3 sin y plus 4 tan x. So 2 into cos x. So cos x value will be 20 by 25. We cut by 5, 4 by 5 minus 3 into sin y. Sin y is 9 by 15. Cut by 3, that will be 3 by 5 plus 4 tan x. So here is our x. So tan x means height by base. So opposite side BC, that is the height, and base is our AB. So 15 by 20. 4 into 15 by 20. So here also we cut by 5. It will become 3 by 4. 4 and 4 cut. So here 2 4s are 8. 8 by 5 minus 3 3s are 9. 9 by 5 plus 3. So 8 minus 9 is equal to minus 1 by 5 plus 3. So here is equal to 5 we take. Minus 1 plus. So 5 3s are 15. So minus 1 plus 15 will be equal to 14. So 14 by 5. This is the final answer for this question. So the answers for this question are number 1, 2 by 5, number 2, 2 by 5, number 3, 6 by 5, and number 4, 14 by 5. So let's move on to our next question. Question number 4b. In the figure given below, triangle ABC is right angle at B. If AB is equal to y units, BC is equal to 3 units, and CA is equal to 5 units, find sin x degree y. So this is the triangle ABC. So first we find out the value of sin x degree, which is very easy. So number 1, sin x degree is equal to, so x, sin means height by hypotenuse. So our height is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So BC 3 by 5. So we write it first, BC by AC. So BC is our 3 and AC is our 5. So 3 by 5. So now y units. So y we will find out by the Pythagoras theorem. So number 2. So in this triangle, if we apply the Pythagoras theorem, AC is the hypotenuse. So AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square. So I put down the values. AC square is our 5. So 5 square is equals to AB. AB is y. So y square plus BC square. BC is 3. So 3 square. So 5 to the power 2 25 is equals to y to the power 2 plus 3 to the power 2, that is 9. So y to the power 2 is equals to 25 minus 9. So y will be equals to root over 16. 25 minus 9 16. So remove the square, it becomes root. That is equals to 4. So y will be equals to 4 units. So the final answer for this question is sin x 3 by 5 and y 4 units. So let's move on to our next question. Question number 5. In a right angle triangle, it is given that a angle A is an acute angle and that tan A is equals to 5 by 12. Find the values of cos A, cosec A minus cot A. So for this question, we will not draw the right angle triangle. We will directly do this like this. Tan A is given 5 by 12. Now we know that tan is equal to height by base. So therefore height will be 5 and base will be 12. But there is a twist here, that we cannot write 5 and 12 directly. We have to write like this. Let height is equals to 5, k, and base is equals to 12k. Because this is a ratio, this may not be the actual height and base. Like if we take an example, this may be 25 and 144 down. So if we root it, it will become 5 by 12. So this is a ratio, this is not the actual value. So we write a k beside it, which will be real positive number. So real positive number means it is not 0 and it is positive. So height is 5k, base is 12k. We will find out the hypotenuse first. The hypotenuse square will be equal to height square plus base square. So we write hypo here. Hypo square will be equal to height square plus base square. So height is our 5k. So 5k square plus 12k square. Hypo is equal to root over 5k square. That means 5 to the power 25, k to the power 2 plus 12 to the power 2, that is 144, k to the power 2 is equal to root over 169 k to the power 2. So 169 is 13 and k to the power 2 is k. So hypo will be 13k. So now I got all the sides of a right angle triangle. Now question number 1. Cos A. So cos A means base by hypotenuse. So base is 12k. We write it base by hypotenuse. Base is our 12k, hypotenuse is 13k. So k got cut, so only 12 by 13. So this is the ratio we got. Now number 2. It is given cosec A minus cot A. So cosec means hypotenuse by height minus cot A. So cot means base by height. So hypotenuse is 13k by height, that is 5k, minus base, that is 12k, minus height, that is 5k. So 5k 13k minus 12k is equal to 1k by 5k. So cut k, it will be 1 by 5. So the answers for this question will be number 1, cos A is equal to 12 by 13, and number 2, cosec A minus cot A is equal to 1 by 5. So this is the final answer for this question. So let's move on to our next question. Question 6a. In triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 90 degree. If AB is equal to 7 cm and BC minus AC is equal to 1 cm, find sin C tan B. So first we will draw the triangle. So that this is our triangle. It is given A is equal to 90 degrees. So this is our A, this is B, this is C. AB is equal to 7 centimeter, and it is given BC minus AC is equal to 1 centimeter. So BC minus AC is equal to 1. So you can write it like this. BC is equal to 1 plus AC. Oh, minus is going to that side, so it becomes plus. So now you apply the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse, that is BC square, is equal to AB square plus AC square. So BC square. So BC have taken as 1 plus AC. So we write 1 plus AC square is equal to AB square. So AB is 7 square plus AC square. We write AC square only here. Now 1 plus AC square. We do it here. 1 plus AC. 1 plus AC. 1 1 1. 1 into AC AC. AC into 1 AC. And AC into AC plus AC square. So it will give AC square plus 2AC plus 1 is equal to 7 to the 49 plus AC square. So AC square minus AC square, we are taking this AC square to this side, so it goes for minus plus 2AC is equal to 49 minus 1. Taking this 1 to this side, so it goes for minus. This cuts. So AC will be equal to 48 by 2. 24. So AC is equal to 24 centimeter. So now we can find out BC. So BC is equal to 1 plus AC. So 1 plus 24 is equal to 25 centimeter. So BC is 25 centimeter. So now for sin C. So this triangle, sin means height by hypotenuse. Opposite side AB height, and BC is the hypotenuse. So AB by BC. So AB is 7 and BC is 25. So 7 by 25, and third tan B. Tan is equal to height by base. So here is B, opposite side AC. So this will be height and AB will be the base. So write AC by AB is equal to 24 by 7. So for this question, answers are sin C 7 by 25 and tan B 24 by 7. So let's move to the next. Question number 6b. In triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degree. If PQ is equal to 40 centimeter and PR plus QR is equal to 50 centimeter, find sin P, cos P and tan R. So first, take PQ given 40 centimeter. Let's draw the triangle first. So angle Q is given hypotenuse, right angle. So PQ 40 centimeter and given PR plus QR is equal to 50. So we arrange this also like the previous question, that is PR is equal to 50 minus QR centimeter. So apply the Pythagoras theorem now. PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. 50 minus QR square is equal to PQ, that is 40 square plus QR square. We do this 50 minus QR, 50 minus QR. 50 into 50, 2500, minus 50 minus QR, minus 50 QR, minus QR into 50, minus 50 QR, and minus QR into minus QR, plus QR square. So 2500 minus 100 QR plus QR square. Now 40 square 161600 plus q square. So q square minus q square, this you are taking to this side, minus 100 q is equal to 1600. Now we take 2500 to this side, so it goes for minus. So this cuts. So minus 100 QR is equals to minus 900. So QR is equals to, now 100 goes for division here. QR is equals to 9 centimeter. So therefore this PR is equals to 50 minus QR. So 50 minus 9 is equals to 41 centimeter. So now question number 1. Sine P. So here is the P. So sine opposite QR height, PR hypotenuse, QR by PR. QR value is 9 and PR value is 41. 9 by 41 first. Then second it is cos P. So this is the base and this is the hypotenuse. So PQ by PR. So PQ 40 and PR 41. And third tan R. So here is R. So this will be height and this will be base. PQ will be the height and QR will be the base. So PQ by QR. So PQ is equal to 40 and QR is equal to 9. So this is the answer for this question. So let's move to the next question. Question number 7. In triangle ABC, AR is equal to AC is equal to 15 centimeter, BC is equal to 18 centimeter. Find cos angle ABC, sine angle ACB. So first let's draw the triangle. So AB is equal to AC. So this is A, this is B and this is C. This side and this side will be equal. BC is given 18 and this two side will be 15. Now to apply the Pythagoras theorem or the trigonometrical ratios, we draw a perpendicular. So now we got two right angles. So let this is D. So we have to find this AD first. In triangle ABD we take. So we take the direct formula. AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. So AD square is equal to 15 square minus BD square. So BD will be half of BC. So half of 18 will be 9. So AD square is equals to 225 minus 81. AD is equals to root over 225 minus 81. It becomes 144 is equals to 12. So AD is equals to 12 centimeter. So now first question, cos triangle ABC. So ABC, that means this triangle cos we have to find out. So cos means base. So BD will be the base and AB will be the hypotenuse. So BD by AB. So BD is our 9 and AB is our 15. Now second question, sine angle ACB. So this angle you have to find out now. So sine means height. Height is AD opposite side and hypotenuse is AC. So AD by AC. So AD you have to find out, that is 12 and AC is 15. So in both these questions we cut it by 3. 3 and 5 is equal to 3 by 5 and here 4 by 5 is equal to 4 by 5. So this is the final answer for this question. So let's move to the next question. Question number 8a. In the figure given below, Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC is equal to 5 cm and BC is equal to 6 cm. Find sin C, tan B, tan C minus cot B. So in this question also, like the previous one, you draw a perpendicular right angle formed. Name it D. So 6 cm, so this side 3, this side also 3. So first we find the value of AD. So triangle ABD we take. So AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square. So AD square is equals to AB square minus BD square. AD square is equals to AB square, that is given in the question 5 cm. 5 square minus 3 square, BD is 3, half of 6. So AD is equals to root over 25 minus 9, that is equals to root over 16 is equals to 4. So now first question we attempt. Sin C. So sin this triangle, this angle. So height by hypotenuse. So height is opposite side AD and hypotenuse AC. So AD by AC is equals to 4 by 5. Second question B. So here is B. So height by base, opposite side AD and base BD. So AD by BD. So AD is 4 and BD is 3. Third question. Tan C minus cot B. So tan C, height by base, this is height and this is base, that means 4 by 3 minus cot B. So here is B. So base by height, so BD by AD. So 3 by 4. So now 3 4s are 12. So 4 4s are 16 minus 3 3s are 9. So 7 by 12. So tan C minus cot B is equal to 7 by 12. So this is the final answer for this question. So let's move on to the next question. Question number 8b. In the figure given below, triangle ABC is a right angled at B. Given that angle ACB is equal to theta, side AB is equal to 2 units and side BC is equal to 1 unit. Find the value of sin square theta plus tan square theta. So first we have to find AC. So AC will be the hypotenuse. So CB square plus AB square. Hypotenuse is equal to base by height. Base plus height. AC unknown is equal to CB 1 square plus AB 2. AC square is equal to 1 plus 4. So is equal to root over 5. So AC is equal to root over 5 units. So this will be root over 5. Now we have to find sin square theta plus tan square theta. So sin square theta plus tan square theta is equal to sin theta. So sin means height by hypotenuse. Opposite side is AB. So AB will be the height and AC will be the hypotenuse. So AB by AC whole square plus tan theta. So here is theta, opposite side height, down base. Height by base, that means AB by BC whole square. So AB value is 2 by root 5 whole square plus AB value 2 BC 1 whole square. So 2 to the power 4, 5 root 5 into root 5, that is 5 plus 2 to the power 4 is equals to 5 4 plus 5 4s are 20. That will be equal to 24 by 5 is equals to 4 whole 4 by 5. We take it as a mixed fraction, so this will be the final answer for this question. So let's move on to the next question. Question number 8c. In the figure given below, AD is perpendicular to BC. BD is equals to 15 cm. Sin B is equals to 4 by 5 and tan C is equals to 1. Calculate the length of AD BD, DC and AC, so the tan square B minus 1 by cos square B is equals to minus 1. So this is our question, this is our diagram. So here first it is given sin B is equals to 4 by 5. So sin B here is B. So this means this side and this side is given. So height by hypo. So let height is equals to 4k and hypo is equals to 5k. K is equals to positive real number. So we got the value of hypotenuse and the height. Now we will apply the Pythagoras theorem so that we can find out the value of this k and we can put down the original values of the sides. So therefore AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square. AB square is a hypotenuse, so 5k square is equals to AD square. AD square is the height, so height is 4k square plus BD square is 15, so 15 square. So 5 to the 25 k square is equals to 4 to the 16 k square plus 15 to the power 2 225. So 25k square, we take 16 to this side, minus 16k square is equal to 205 is equals to 9k square 205. So k square will be equal to 225 by 9. We take 9 to this side. Now k is equals to root over 225 by 9. That will be equals to 15 by 3. We cut it 5. So value is 5. So therefore our height is equals to 4k is equals to 4 into 5 is equals to 20. And our hypo, it is 5k, it will be 5 into 5, that is 25. So here height, that means AD will be equal to 20 centimeter and this AB will be equal to 25 centimeter. Now the next information is given is tan C. So here is C. So tan C means height by base. So our height is AD and our base is DC. So tan C is equals to 1. So it is only given 1, so I write 1 by 1 as a height by base. So therefore height is equals to 1k and B is equals to 1k. K is equals to positive real number. But here the height is given 1k, but we know that the height is 20 centimeter. So 1 into 20 is only 20 centimeter. So therefore we can say that height will be equals to 20 centimeter and base is also will be 20 centimeter because they are similar. Height is 20 centimeter, base 20 centimeter. And finally we will apply the Pythagoras theorem to find out the value of AC. So therefore AC square is equals to H square plus B square. Directly doing, so 20 square plus 20 square is equals to 400 plus 400 root over 800, that will be equals to 20 root 2 centimeter. So I've got the value of AC also. So now in question number 1 we are supposed to find out the value of AD, AB, DC and AC. AD value 20 centimeter we got, AB value 25 centimeter we got, and DC value similar to AB AD, so this one also 20 centimeter, and AC side value we got 2 root 2 centimeter, so 20 root 2 centimeter. So these are the final answer for the first part. So second part, show that tan square B minus 1 by cos square B is equals to minus 1. So we need to prove it that tan square B minus 1 by cos square B is equals to minus 1. tan square b minus 1 by cos square b equals to minus 1. So tan b. So here is b. So tan means height by base. So opposite to the angle, that is AD, that will be the height, and base will be 15. So 20 by 15 whole square minus 1 divided by 1 by cos square b. So cos square b means base by hypotenuse. So base is 15 and hypotenuse is AB. So 15 by 25 to the power 2. So minus 1. So 400 by 225 minus 1 divided by 225 by 25 to the power 2, 625. So 400 by 225 minus, so reciprocaling it, and division will go for multiplication. So wait, we will not step jump like this. It will become 625 by 225. Now 400 by 225. Oh, sorry. Minus 1 multiplied. It will become like this. So now minus 625 by 225 is equals to minus 1. So now 225, 400 minus 625 is equals to minus 1. So it will become minus 225 by 225 is equals to minus 1. We cut it, it will become minus 1. So minus 1 is equals to minus 1. So LHS is equals to RHS, that is left hand side is equals to right side. So that means it is proved. So this is the answer for this question. So guys, thanks for watching this video. This is the first part of this video. The link for the second part and the third part will be in the description. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more solutions like this.